Welcome back to Fix It Design, your go-to channel for the latest in home decor and modern living. Today, we're diving into the best TV wall decorating ideas for 2025. The TV wall is no longer just a place to mount a screen, it's becoming a central statement of style and sophistication. Whether you're renovating your living room, designing a brand new space, or just refreshing your setup, these ideas will help you create a stunning and modern TV feature wall that enhances the entire feel of your home. Let's get started. First up, minimalist floating TV panels are gaining massive popularity. In 2025, sleek floating panels with hidden wires and backlighting are everywhere. These panels not only create a clean, uncluttered look but also highlight your TV as the focal point without overwhelming the space. Add LED lights behind the panel for a soft glow effect that feels futuristic yet cozy, perfect for late-night movie marathons. Another major trend is stone cladding TV walls. Natural materials like limestone, slate, and even textured concrete are being used to make TV walls feel grand and luxurious. A textured stone backdrop brings a raw, organic vibe to the sleekness of modern tech, creating a beautiful balance. Pair it with floating shelves or minimal media units to complete the look without making the wall feel too heavy. Wooden slat walls are also leading the game in 2025. Vertical or horizontal wood slats instantly add texture and warmth to a room. They help the TV wall feel less like a tech zone and more like an integrated part of your home decor. Choose lighter woods for a Scandinavian aesthetic, or darker stains for a rich, sophisticated atmosphere. Bonus tip: add strip lighting between the slats for extra depth and drama. Next, let's talk about built-in shelving around the TV. Custom cabinetry and open shelves on either side of the screen can turn your TV wall into a functional and beautiful storage solution. In 2025, designs are trending towards asymmetrical shelving and floating units rather than heavy, traditional built-ins. Styling the shelves with a mix of books, plants, and decorative objects keeps the area lively and personal. Another stunning idea is creating a TV gallery wall. Instead of fighting the presence of a TV, designers are embracing it by mixing framed art, photography, and decor around the screen. This approach softens the impact of the TV and turns the entire wall into a stylish focal point. Keep the frames cohesive in color and material for a clean, curated look, or mix and match for a more eclectic, boho vibe. Matte black accent walls are dominating modern interiors in 2025, and they're perfect for TV areas. A deep matte black or charcoal backdrop makes the TV virtually disappear when it's off, creating a seamless look. This color choice adds instant drama and sophistication, especially when paired with light-colored floors or minimalistic furniture. If you're into futuristic styles, LED light frames around the TV are a must-try. Custom LED light installations that frame the TV or the entire wall can change colors, pulse to the music, or create ambient moods depending on your settings. This tech meets design feature is perfect for home theaters or high-energy living spaces that want a cutting-edge vibe. Now, moving into luxury territory, marble TV walls are a huge statement in upscale modern interiors. A full marble slab or marble effect panels behind the TV create a bold, timeless feature. White marble with gray veining remains a classic, but darker marbles like emerald green, black, or navy are becoming increasingly popular for more dramatic looks. Textured wallpapers behind the TV are another fantastic option for 2025. Think linen, silk, grass cloth, or geometric 3D textures. These materials add subtle depth without competing with the TV screen. Plus, wallpapers are easier to change compared to heavy stone or wood installations, giving you more flexibility if you love to refresh your interiors often. One of the coolest ideas this year is hidden TVs with sliding panels. These clever designs use wall-mounted sliding art, mirrored doors, or wooden panels to conceal the TV when not in use. It's perfect for homeowners who prefer a less tech-dominated living room. When you're not binge-watching your favorite show, the TV disappears behind a stylish facade, keeping the room feeling more artful and serene. Two-tone walls are also gaining popularity for TV areas. By painting or paneling the upper and lower halves of the wall in different colors or textures, you create visual interest and break up the flatness of a single color wall. A neutral tone at the bottom and a bold color at the top can help highlight the TV area beautifully without overwhelming the space. Next up, curved and organic shapes are making a return. Instead of sharp corners and boxy frames, curved feature walls, arches, or rounded niches for the TV are trending. These shapes feel softer and more inviting while adding a contemporary architectural element to your interiors. For compact spaces, corner-mounted TV designs are practical and stylish. Corner installations maximize space while still offering a clean, modern look. Use a compact media unit or floating shelves underneath to keep it organized and clutter-free. And lastly, mirrored TV walls are the ultimate hack for making small rooms feel larger. A mirrored backdrop reflects light and space, making the room feel brighter and bigger. Choose tinted mirrors for a more muted, elegant effect, especially if you want the TV to stand out a little less. And that wraps up our look at the best TV wall decorating ideas for 2025. Whether you love minimalist floating panels, luxurious marble backdrops, cozy wood slats, or high-tech LED installations, there's a perfect style for every home. Which of these trends would you love to try in your living room? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest home decor ideas and inspiration from Fix It Design. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.